Section 1. Key features of the fire alarms. Smoke alarm has a small lever switch on its rear. Gently turn the lever clockwise across 2 notches to power it on. The LED will flash a few times, indicating that the device has been successfully activated. Or close and twist the back plate to turn on the fire alarm. The heat alarm has a lever switch on its rear. Slide it from off to on to power it on. The front LED will flash a few times. Multi-sensor alarms has a small lever switch on its rear. Turn the lever clockwise across 1 notches to power it on. The LED will flash a few times, indicating activation. Or close and twist the back plate to turn on the fire alarm. To activate the carbon monoxide alarm, slide the wall bracket downwards and remove it. On the rear of the alarm, there is a push switch. Use a small tool to press the switch inward to turn it on. The green LED on the front will flash for approximately 30 seconds while initializing. Once the initialization is complete, the device will emit a single beep accompanied by a red LED flash, signaling it is ready for use. The remote control has a battery compartment on the back. Slide the compartment open, remove the plastic tab between the battery and the terminal, and then close the compartment securely. For mains-powered alarms, the switch is located on the back of the device. Press the square button to turn it on. The LED will flash a few times, indicating that the device has been successfully activated. For mains-powered alarms, attaching the base will automatically switch the alarm on. Please note, press the test button gently to avoid mechanical damage. To mute triggered fire alarms, press and hold the button for 2 seconds to stop the sound. If the fire alarm is triggered, 1 single press of the test button will only hush the alarm temporarily. The red indicator will keep flashing, and the alarm will sound again after 9 minutes. To reset the fire alarm, press and hold the test button and wait for the green light flashes 4 times, and then release it. The green LED will then wash 3 times, signifying it has been reset successfully. The main device. Press and hold the test button until the green LED flashes 3 times. Then release the button immediately. The red LED will then flash rapidly. To pair an additional device, press and hold the test button on the device until the LED flashes twice. Then release the button immediately. The device's red LED will flash slowly 3 times, indicating it has successfully entered pairing mode.